Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. I'm the General Manager of Makers Mercantile, just outside of Seattle, Washington. And this right here, this is our May Sock of the Month box. It's time to reveal what's inside our subscription box. Each month we send these out to our subscribers and they pay $27 for a subscription box. It's always guaranteed to include a really good pattern for socks and some great yarn. Everything else is fun and exciting, and we do throw a few little treats in there. So let's get this open and see what's inside the box. So the first, it's a joke. It's a punny joke. What do you call a beehive with no exit? A beehive can't have, it has to have an exit, right? So it's gotta be, that's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Get it? Unbelievable. It's funny, kind of. It's funny. Yes, it's funny. So tissue, of course, we have all this awesome tissue. Thank you to our tissue for keeping everything safe as it moved around. A hamburger. That's a little crazy. And here's the pattern. So this time it is a printed copy of the Stripes Alive pattern by Michelle Hunter. So, oh, also picture of a kitty cat. That is Chewy. Chewy is a rescue cat, and inside your box you also get a little story from Riley, who rescued Chewy, and so that is what that is. So those socks are these socks, and these socks are kind of crazy looking. The thing that's really fun about them is, we get back to this, the yarn is crazy. This is Zauberball Crazy by Gerhard Scheppel. Scheppel is a German yarn company, as many of you probably know. And the Zauberball line of yarn has been around for quite a while. This colorway is called Jubilee. And the crazy part is the two plies of the yarn are each dyed independently, and then they're combined together. And each of the two plies change color independently as well, which makes the color combos crazy and unexpected. And so what it turns into is this celebration of color, which we think is really awesome. There are over 450, I think almost 460 yards of yarn in one ball of this. And the color repeat is so long that you can enjoy making socks and never have to worry about them repeating themselves. Also get a little sweet treat and these cards. So we put in an assortment of 3 different cards in each of the boxes. These are by a lady named, last name of Moulton, and these are made of yarn. So the one I'm holding, Hello Sweetie, has a fly on it that is a knitted and crocheted fly. I think she used tatting in her work, of course crochet, but it is all fiber. And so these were photographed in the studios, in Skacel Studios here in Washington, and turned into a series of greeting cards. They are, well, note cards, I suppose. They're blank inside. And one of the reasons that we chose to offer these as the additional little surprise gift in this month's box is because we are all doing a thing that's new called social distancing. We are also hanging out with people virtually, but we believe that it is really important to take a moment, write a letter, put pen to paper and reach out to friends. Not everyone is able to communicate using the phones and email and all of our awesome technology. Some people really benefit from a, well, they might be able to talk on the phone, but a lot of people really benefit from a written note that says hi, and I'm thinking of you. So that is our Sock of the Month box with send a letter, write a couple letters out to people. You can go onto our website and look at Hi-Fiber, so HI-Fiber cards, and you'll see all the cards that are available. You're gonna get, of course, you've got the Stripes Alive sock pattern, this amazing Zauber ball yarn. Zauber, again, is a bad pronunciation of the word magic in German. Crazy because it is unexpected and fun, a sweet treat, a punny joke that made you smile, maybe. And of course, in the end, you put the ingredients together to come up with a really lovely finished piece. So one of the things you could do, if you wanted, is take your finished socks and fold your tissue up. And fold it up, and put one of those note cards with it, and send a gift to a friend. What a wonderful gift hand-knit socks are. If you need my address, let me know. Anyway, guys, I hope that you are having the best time as you can. I hope that you are staying creative, whatever that means, whether it's sewing or crochet or knitting or drawing. Just take care of yourselves, reach out to your friends and your family, and we will see you in a month with our next Sock of the Month box. Until then, bye.